So hi guys, welcome to today's video. I'm sorry, like I'm dead tired today. I don't know why, but I guess it's because like for last like 4 months I've been sleeping like for 5 to 6 hours only, and like I don't know, you can see like my eyes. I can't hold them like sometimes, and I just come home from the gym and it's around 12 p.m. or something like that. And before that I was just studying, doing like research and like doing like what I've been doing. Like I starting like to just choose a product for every day. Like I started this 2 days ago. I just choose a product, like I don't test it. I just choose it to write the ad copy for it or just description, just to get a better like creative with writing and like be more fast, so I'm training myself. So I don't do that like each time I test the product. I just choose a product and just writing a copy for it. Like I just try to like see it as an audience, like eyes, and just try talking to them in their own language. I'm just training. I read like every day around 2 hours, not through 1.5 hours, like a book, casualtizing. I'm just continuing with that book, and then I have where is it? It's not here. Okay, I have like a book that I write like everything in it. Like it's almost full now, and I go and every day I read that, like the things I have wrote, like YouTube videos I have watched, or the courses I have watched. The main, like, guys, I don't watch like any other people except I used to watch, and I sometimes still watch Camille Sattar's video and Gabriel St. German, and that dude he's not active at the moment, and he haven't been active since 2019, but like his videos, like they're like so much valuable, I just watch his course sometimes, and beside that I have my mentor, like that guy is very great. He's great, he gave me like some tips, that like I make a slight changes and it just changes everything, and he just teach me so much, and I'm very thankful to him. And yeah, guys, so it's basically sometimes it's like you have to be dedicated, and yeah, that's what probably is. I'm like in my screen is like I'm just watching my ads, like with this store, which is my third store. I launched ads. First day I got 2 sales, second day I got around 5 sales, and third day, like in the third day I didn't like got any sales until half of the day, and then I turned off the ad set because my mentor told me like I have to change some things in my product description and ad copy, which I did. But like after like this time, like I launched the new ads. I launched 1, 2, 3. I launched 7 ad sets, ad set level budget, $50 a day, and then I let them run like for 3 days. And this is the second day at the moment. So first day we got 1 sale, second day nothing at the moment, guys. Like this is the same product. Like when I launched it, like the first time it was like mad, it was just booming, but when I launch it now, it's not. So maybe it means like this isn't the winning product, and I have already spent, I'm going to tell you how much I have spent at this at the moment. I have, okay, let me just, 1st April from 20, I have spent around $422 in this, and I have got back around $200. So yeah, guys, so this is just a loss, but I have to test. Like you have to test to make sure like you have tested every angle and everything you could before you give up. You can't just test it with one creative and say, okay, this isn't working, so you just change the product. That's just like waste of time, guys. So keep that in mind as well. But this is probably it. Like I have spent much money with this, but like no problem, it's like we used to it, man. It's okay. Like I'm not just gonna find a new product and make a store around that, but we'll see how it goes. I'm gonna let this run for another day. Maybe we'll see like some changes happen or something like that. But like until now, this is probably it, you know, so nothing special. And guys, I wanted to like correct that in my last video I said like I've been doing drop shipping to 5 to 6 months. I'm sorry, like I just guessed because I didn't really know when I started, you know. But when I went to my phone and started to checking pictures, like first picture I took like from YouTube, I just paused and take a picture like just to have that. I thought it was a golden nugget or something like that. And I was just talking to my girlfriend, and I know that I started drop shipping like 1.5 months or like around 2 months before her birthday, and her birthday was on February, so it was around 4 months ago. So it wasn't 5 months, it was 4 months, but like I just wanted to be like forward as possible and just be truthful. So that's probably it, guys. Like for those of you who don't know, like for my first store, I didn't start with Facebook. I didn't put my ads on Facebook because I didn't have LLC or LTD, what you call it. I didn't have a like registered company, and another thing was like I was scared, and I had low budget. I had $200-300, so I just made the Instagram for it. I made it very branded. I showed you the website in this channel, and then I just went for it. You know, I just went to advertise it, and then with the Instagram meme pages and stuff, and I managed to get like to 5 to 6 sales, something like that, maybe more, maybe not less. And then that was probably it. But from that store I profited around $100, you know. I profited on $100, and I went to my next store, which was in a gym niche, and then a gym niche, and like it was a gym clothes or something like that, and I tried to sell that, and that was a high ticket product, and that was my mistake because I hadn't like that too much budget. The product cost me $20. I was selling it around $56 or something like that. So yeah, that product didn't kind of work, but I for that product I had my registered company. I just run ads for it, and first night I ran like $25 CBO with three ad sets in it, and each ad set had 4 ads. So I ran that for first day, like it was $25 budget, and then the product cost was 56, so I ran $25 budget and I got a sale, so I was on 2-3 ROAS first day, you know. Then second day came, no sales. Third day came, I got 2 sales third day, but like it was like up and down, so not everything was cool with that product, but it didn't work, you know. I tested in different countries with different language, and then after I tested, I would say, okay, this ain't gonna work. But product was heavy, it was around 700 grams, and I was drop shipping product from CJ, and their shipping times up, shipping prices are high as well. So it was kind of expensive product, you know. But this product I'm drop shipping at the moment is like, this cost me around $4 to buy it and send it, you know. So it have nice profit margins. I can upsell product in it. You can have like quantity breaks or something like that. People can buy a couple of it. It solves the problem. But I'm in the right track, you know, because like in the first 2 days I got around 7 to 8 sales. So I was like, damn. So this was I'm close, but I think this product isn't it like 100%. But we'll see till tomorrow, you know. Maybe things change. But if they even don't, I'm just gonna make a new store. I don't fucking care, you know. I'm just going to continue. It's only like, there isn't much time, you know. So I have all the time in the world, guys. So if you guys like have any other stores or any other stories, like when did you did your store, how much profit you made, like if was it a loss, was it not a loss, like until now, guys, I mean, just losing money, you know. So no problem with that. So I just wanted to give you an update, you know. Today I'm not going to study after this. I'm just going to go downstairs and watch some movie, you know. I'm just trying to chill, because each time I don't study, like do something else, I feel like I'm staying behind, and I'm just trying to catch up each time, you know. I'm just trying to work hard as I can. Like I swear to God, sometimes like it was just around last week that my girlfriend said like, you don't spend any time with me anymore, and she was just, you know, crying, and she was very sad because like she said I don't like I don't like being here anymore, because it's like all I'm here like by all myself, you know. So yeah, but I know I haven't find a balance in this, because all I'm doing is this now. Like I don't meet my friends anymore, guys. I swear to God, like I come home, I'm just home, like I'm just home studying this, you know, working and training at the nights. You know, I changed my gym to the gym that is close here, and at the moment it's like 12 p.m. or something like that. So I went to the gym, it was empty, you know, nobody was there. So I trained and I came back home. And this is like every day, you know, every day of my life. I just do it and come back, watch some more videos, getting some more knowledge, just try to learn, and take action, you know. Because if you watch too much video and don't take action, it's just like nothing, you know. Action is the most important thing to test and fail, to learn, you know. So that's been probably it, you know. I should like find the balance in it. So today I'm just gonna give it a break. I'm just gonna go like watch a movie, like watch just a movie and just sleep for 7 hours, because I can't hold my eyes anymore, you know. They feel heavy, guys. So yeah, guys, that's probably it. Give you a heads up. Peace, guys.